One of the deepest needs people have, especially today, is the desire to participate in a larger story. Because meaning and purpose flow out of a grand narrative, people are looking for a narrative to join. The Christian solution to this is to go to church. But this is a solution modern people may have many problems with. After all, the idea of going to a particular place once a week to worship and listen to a sermon just sounds strange. But church isn't a mere social club, or a lecture, or a choir. To go to church is to participate in a higher purpose. Christians worship, pray, and listen to a sermon because it is by doing these things that Christians participate in a grand narrative. Participation in a higher purpose is not optional. People who don't go to church still inevitably participate in something larger than themselves. They just won't fully realize that that's what they're doing. After all, when people do things like going to Comic-Con, cosplaying, joining a book club, joining marches, protesting, becoming activists, or even going to Disneyland, what they're trying to do is to participate in a larger story. But these stories are either unreal or they shouldn't be of the highest value in our lives. So why should you go to church? Because if you're going to participate in a larger story anyway, you should pick the grand narrative that aims at the highest possible good, namely God. But not just any God, the true God who came down and sacrificed for himself because he loved you.